In this house every year. Not too bad. Takes me a little while. This side's usually worse. I gotta move some of this stuff away from the house. Tires. Over here is pretty bad. This door. Yeah, here. Check it out by this canoe. Look at that. All that mold. Gonna be a pain, but usually comes out really nice. They have dogs, so I gotta remember to close this gate behind me. Dirt over here. Gutters are pretty nasty. Gotta pull this stuff away from the house. In here they have dogs, so it's usually a lot of dirt in here from the dogs. But it really isn't that bad this time. I'm probably just gonna pick some of this stuff off, spray it off. Try to stay away from those windows a little bit. I don't want to spray anything into the house. It doesn't look like it's sealed very well. Gate over here does not work. So I'm going to have to do this in two parts. I'm going to have to pull my hose around this way, clean the back, and then clean this from the other side. And let's see if we can get through over here. They got a dog cage in the way, but maybe I can just pull this back. There we go. I can walk out over here. Leave this open. Over here is usually a pain to do. I don't like doing over here because all this stuff. But gotta get it done, right? Can't complain too much. These have to be moved out of the way, or they'll get ruined from the detergent. I'll just stack them up right now. This way, when I move it, pretty easy. Again, window pretty dirty. All those sills need to be cleaned. Not too awful. I'll give you guys another video when I wrap up here, and I'll show you the finished product. Walking around the house to do my double check, and I don't think this guy's sleeping. Wake up, little bunny. Wake up, please. Up over here. Driveway is cleaned. I sprayed some weed killer to kill the rest of these weeds. The house is clean. I don't know if you guys remember, this door over here was filthy. So dirty. And then the pavers over here were devastatingly bad. So we cleaned that up. The big mold spot over here, mold and mildew, gone. Look at that. Window sills, beautiful. Windows look squeaky clean. I got some advice about what kind of cleaner to use. How shiny those windows are. And there's a dog in there, so we're not gonna make him too angry. Look, I can pretty much just see myself in these windows. It's pretty sweet. They look beautiful. It came out great. I cleaned up the propane tank a little bit. The back porch cleaned up. Soffits, look at the soffits. So hard to get gutters and soffits clean like that, but those are beautiful. They came out great. I'll show you guys the front. Oh, I just stepped in a huge puddle of mud. And now I have to walk on these papers. I'm actually gonna walk around because I don't want to get them dirty. Can you check it out? Front of the house looks good. The peaks were kind of hard, but they cleaned up really nicely. Front door, chair rail, the railing all the way around. Again, soffits cleaned up great. Everything's awesome at this house. I love these little cactuses that they have out here. Can't really see them unless you're too close. These are really pretty. They have them all going down. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's not normally what I do, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys.